Here's how to check which Chromecast model you have. The first thing that you're going to do is go and look underneath your Chromecast device. And from there, you will see there the model that you have at the top. Next is some Chromecast or HDMI Chromecast models is written on below of the behind of the Chromecast device, just like this. So you can look at the top and at below. Next is you can go back to the online shop or to the shop that you purchased your Chromecast to ask them which kind of Chromecast model you have because it will be written there on the information. And the last thing for you to be able to see or look which Chromecast model you have is that you can look at the back of the packaging. On the packaging, you will see there which model you have as well as the setup options, setup instructions, and warranty.